Buenas tardes, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I am on top of our Airbnb in beautiful Bucerias, the state of Nayarit, Mexico, and we are going to do a pool tricks for you today. I'm going to do one for my vlogger I follow, William Tatarian. He does a lot of pool tricks. I do my own pool tricks. He does a little better than me, but I'm gonna do a fantastic one here for you guys today. So the pool I'm using right behind me, infinity pool. It's on the top of our condo complex here. And man, this has been a perfect day. Full sunshine, hovering around 30 degrees Celsius. You can't beat that, eh? So I'm gonna swing you around, let you have a look at the Bay of Banderas from our condo that we were here for New Year's, man. It was fantastic. Let me just do a pan around for you. Have a look at this, eh? Oh my God. Fantastic. Beautiful top of the condo here. Got a beautiful umbrella. So, like I said, I'm gonna do a couple jumps here. A couple backflips, twirls, maybe even a belly flop. We'll see. But hey, the pool, infinity pool, it's only about 1.5 to 2 feet deep. Gonna do a couple jumps here in recognition of my vlogger I follow, William Tatarian. So let's check it out. Stick around. Hello amigas, amigos, Malecón back. Hey, the pool tricks was a complete success. Hope you enjoyed it. It's quite dangerous doing it, but I overcome the fear and I got her complete. It was a complete success. And we're gonna finish it off with some deep frying right now.
Very great success. The frying weather is perfect.
Pool tricks was a complete success. Pool tricks. But anyways, kids, hey, that was for my buddy William that I follow. William Tatarian. Definitely, I do some parodies on him, especially the pool trick stuff. It's just all in fun, you know, but he's a really good vlogger. He's been, actually, I think he's in Mexico right now, in Cancun. But he's got some good content. Goes all over the world, does some great vlogs for you guys. So yeah, it was just a parody, all in fun, you know. But anyways, aside from that, this pool up here in this Airbnb, fantastic. Hardly anybody in the building around Christmas, New Year's time, so it was it's quite a treat. And I did that pan around for you, and you've seen the Bay of Banderas. Yeah, it's beautiful. New Year's was awesome. We watched all the fireworks display from puertovallarta. Bucerias had a little bit, and also La Cruz. That's north of La Cruz, Guanacaxo, I should say the whole name of the town, and they had some fireworks too. So it was a great display. We had a few people up here that in the condo complex, and it was a good little celebration. All in all, I would definitely recommend coming here. A little noisy. There's a lot of construction area. Well, you can hear it right now. A lot of banging and clanging and cutting and so forth. But overall, yeah, very nice. Highly recommended. So on that note, I always keep forgetting to say this. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a notification, ring that bell, leave a comment or two. I do enjoy getting the comments, and I do reply to them. So on that note, got a plane going across, taking off from Puerto Vallarta. Why are you taking off? You should be staying here. Damn, those kids up there, they never learn. You know, they're probably going back to Alberta, where she's friggin' cold. Anyways, yeah, signing off. How do I say it? Oh yeah, hasta luego. Muchas gracias for watching my video, and adios. Sayonara, kids, and play safe. Well, she's looking like she's coming along pretty good. Good pour yesterday. Starting, oh, it looks like they poured a couple columns too yesterday. So moving along. Yeah, by the end of the year, she'll be up to about this level. Kind of a mirror image of the one we're staying in. And there's our friendly iguana. Got a nice drone shot of him this morning. I'll add that to this video. But that's it, kids.